Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's class we'll be talking about the class 7th chapter 2, A Gift of Chappals, and we'll do the NCERT solved questions on it. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I'll be proceeding with the comprehensional check questions. What is the secret that Meena shares with Mridu in the backyard? Meena shares that she and her brother found a kitten outside the gate. If this secret was out, Patti will leave a house. Okay, so Patti will leave for our Padu's house. How does Ravi get milk for the kitten? Ravi had to ask for milk and gave the reason that he was hungry and had to drink it half to show Patti that he is really hungry when he had drink most of it. He quickly ran and put the milk in the coconut shell for cat to drink. Okay, the next question is, who does he say the kitten's ancestors are? Do you believe him? So according to Ravi, the kitten's ancestors, the kitten's ancestor is Mahabalipuram Rishi's cat. No, I don't believe him. So Ravi has a lot to say about Ravi has a lot to say about MP Punai. This shows that. So according to that, which of the statements are agreeable to you or not, you have to write. Okay, he is merely trying to impress Mridu. I disagree. His knowledge of history is sound. I agree. He has a rich imagination. I agree. He is an intelligent child. I agree. What was the noise that startled Mridu and frightened Mahendran? It was Lalli, who was learning to play violin, which made Mridu startled and Mahendran frightened. The music master is making lovely music. Read aloud the sentence in the text that expresses this idea. So the line which expresses the idea is, the music master's notes seem to float up and settle perfectly into the invisible track of the melody. Had the beggar came to Rukumani's house for the first time, give reason for your answer. No, the beggar did not come to Rukumani's house for the first time. When mother told Ravi to send the beggar away and told Tapi that he had been coming there every day for the past week and it was now time to beg from another house. The next question is, a sharp V-shaped line had formed between her eyebrows. What does it suggest to you about Rukumani's mood? So Rukumani in the sentence seems to be in anger, as we stress our eyebrows when we are angry. She was angry because the children had given master's chappal to the beggar. Working with the text. Complete the following sentences. Ravi compares Lalli's playing violin to derailing the music from the track. Trying to hide beneath the tray of chilies, Mahendran covered himself with a few chilies. The teacher played a few notes on the violin and Lalli stumbled behind him or her on violin, which looked quite helpless and unhappy in her hands. The beggar said that the kind ladies of the household kept his body and soul together on their generosity for a whole week. He couldn't believe that they would turn him away. After the lesson was over, the music teacher asked Lalli if she had seen his chappals. Describe the music teacher as seen from the window. The description of the music teacher from the window. He had bony figure, bald head with fringe of oil black hair falling around his ears. A gold chain gleamed around his neck and was wearing a diamond ring. Had a large foot with scrawny big toe. So, question number 3 is first. What makes Mridu conclude that the beggar has no money to buy chappals? So the beggar's red and blistered feet convinced Mridu that he had no money to buy chappals. What does she suggest to show her concern? She suggested to give a beggar a pair of chappals to show her concern. Have you children? She began, and then seeing that they were curiously quiet, went on slowly. Seen anyone lurking around the veranda? What do you think Rukumani actually wanted to ask? So Rukumani actually wanted to ask the children if they had seen the music master's slippers. Why did she change her question? When the when the children were curiously quiet, she suspected that they must have done something with the master's chappals. That's why she changed her question. What did she think had happened? So she thought that the children might have given the chappals to the beggar. On getting Gopu Mama's chappal, the music teacher tried not to look too happy. Why? He was very happy after receiving Gopu Mama's chappals, but he pretended not to look happy as he wanted to grieve about the loss and show that his chappal were better than he got. On getting Gopu Mama's chappal as gift, the beggar vanished in a minute. Why was he in such a hurry? The beggar did not want to lose the gift, so he vanished with the fear the children's mother will come and take the chappals. Walking towards the kitchen with Mridu and Meena, Rukumani began to laugh. What made her laugh? Rukumani was laughing, imagining Gopu Mama without his chappals. He had the habit of taking out his shoes immediately after coming home and putting on his chappals. She laughed, wondering what excuse would she give to him and what would be his reaction. So yes guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Lots of love from my side.